All right, in section 2.3, number 19 through 26, we are going to do a sketch of the following bearings, finding the measure of the acute angle formed with the north-south line and the east-west line. Now all of these start facing either north or south, so A is always going to be well, let's just jump in. So let's start with 19 for our example, and I'm going to draw a coordinate system and label that north, east, south, west. I can never remember these, so I have to always do in my head, never eat shredded wheat to remember north, east, south, west. So once I have that labeled, then looking at number 19 for our example, 19. This says I start facing north, so there's my initial side. That's kind of, you can imagine yourself facing that direction. So I'm going to write north 63. Actually, I'll do this. So this is my initial side. So I'm facing the north direction. And then it says that the W at the end tells me the degree of the rotation. So so that's going to give me that terminal side. So I'm facing north, and then I turn towards the west 63 degrees. So that rotates 63 degrees, and that gives me the terminal side. So I'm just calling, instead of calling that, well, it does give me the terminal side, but this is really a rotation in this direction. This, whatever is here. So in this case, that's west. Rotation in this direction. Okay, so there's our 63. So A has the angle with the north-south line. All of these are starting from the north-south line, so our angle that's given here is going to be the answer to A. So A is going to be that 63 degrees. Now to find B, part B says, now what's that angle with the east-west line? So of that same terminal side, they're asking for this little angle here, that east-west line, that terminal side mixed with the east-west line. So to get that, these two angles are complementary. So I can do 90 degrees minus 63 degrees, which gives me 27 degrees. And that is my final answer for this one. Gets a little more complicated with numbers 23 and 25 and 24 and 26 because we have to subtract from 90. We'd have to add on that 0 minutes and 0 seconds and borrow from the 90 to subtract for those later problems.